Sit. Good, draw the elbows back, keep the arms kind of low. There you go. You gotta drop those hands, drop those hands. You're cradling, 19. $27. We gotta fix those arms right off. Sit. There you go. There you go. Drive through the elbows. Keep them low. Keep the arms low. Keep the arms low. There you go. Now. Sling them back. Sling them back. Snatch them back. Snatch them back. Snatch them back. Good. Stay tall. Stay tall. Stay tall. Stay tall. Stay tall. Good. 1687. Good run. A lot better with your arms. Now we're not running to the fight. We're actually sprinting. Sit. Sling them back. Sling them back. There you go. There you go. Stay tall. Stay tall. Stay tall. Nice. Now, that's the way. You want? Sit. Good arms. Good arms. That's what I'm looking for. Good arms. Use them. Do not let that wrist get above the elbows. Nice. Be conservative with them. There you go. There you go. Right there. Now we're moving down the track. Good shoulders. Good square shoulders. There you go. No twisting and shouting. Nice. Sit. Good arm. Keep it low. Wrist below elbow. There you go. Snatch them back. Good. Sit. Good arms. Good. All right. Sit. Good arms. Good. Arms pushes you down the track, pushes you on the front of those spikes. Nice, Riley. Now you're right. Good work. On the grind, TEAMAVANT style. All right. Sit. Good. Good arms. Sit. Good. Nice push. Want to take it more? Sit. Good. There you go. Good. That's the way to snatch them back. Snatch them back so you can push yourself down the track. Snatch them back so you can push yourself down the track. Good. That's the way to use them. Now. That's the way to use them. Mark. Sit. There you go. Just try to stay tall, relax. Focus on the cone, focus on the finish, focus on the finish, focus on the finish. Good arms, good arms, good arms. Good. Alright, take it work. Sit. Good sprint mode, good sprint mode. Good, good, good. Push it through, push it through, push it through, push it through, push it through. Good, good workout today.